Alright, we're in this Mercedes S350. Just doing this regeneration while we're driving it to clear it out after the hydro's clean. How's it feel, mate?
Yeah, it's going really well. It's very responsive. We've just put your foot down a touch now, which is like, didn't have that kind of response before. It feels very smooth, very smooth. Just slight touch on the accelerator now, and she just wants to go.
Yeah, the thing is, you don't notice the difference until it's clean, do you?
No, but I know because I drive
you
the
knew
car
that,
every day.
yeah.
So what I mean is, when I come out straight out of the place, I'm only having to touch the accelerator now to do the speeds. I'm in the 30 zone now. Normally, you can feel I have to push the foot a little bit harder to make it go a little bit more. But it's very smooth as well. You can notice the smoothness of it. But just like a little touch to accelerate there now, and then it's so much smoother, so much more responsive. You hardly have to touch the accelerator now, and I'm doing 30, whereas before you'd have to push it a bit more. You feel like holding back a little bit, but she's definitely smoother, very smooth. Nice, driving really nice.
Give it a blast up the A10.
The lights obviously out, which I never was able to get out for the last 6 months.
Has it been on 6 months that?
Yeah, that light's been on 6 months. By the time I had it reset, just come back on again. Been out every time I drive it out the garage, it just comes back on again.
Yeah, but that's what the high pressure was. There was a lot of high pressure in the DPF.
Not that I boot it, like I'm a slow driver, but you know, when you're on the motorway, you just want to overtake it. It's just the pedals are so much more responsive with your foot down. You're just taking off in a lower gear. It's definitely moving into a lower gear a lot quicker.
Yeah, I mean that's when I noticed it on that Ferrari when I first got the machine. That's what made me buy it. Invest all that money.
I knew, as I said, when I had the other one done, how much different it was. But this one, because it's a diesel, I know they have a lot of carbon in them. But
the Porsche does as well. The Porsche does. Heavily apparently, haven't they?
As I said, the thing is with this is a cruising car, but the thing is what's nice about it, it's just such a smooth drive. Really